with Pastor Joseph Prince.
Praise the Lord. I want to share now a word that I believe is going to bless you and your families back home. And I believe that God has spoken this word in my heart. And I just want to share with you. So sit back, relax, and let's read Psalms 91, verse 1 once again. It says here, "He who dwells in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty." Notice that this is the verse